Welcome to today's inspired healing meditation, intuitively channeled for your highest good. Set your sacred space by lighting a candle, playing your most favorite relaxing music, have your journal close by, and drop into a moment of peace and calm with me, Helene Rose. Welcome to your inspired healing meditation. In today's meditation, you are invited to step forward onto your path of serving humanity as a channel for divine love, as a healer of this planet. In this intuitively channeled meditation, there are so many beautiful gifts to receive, acknowledgments to be had. If you align with the energy of service, healing, love, divinity, if you feel a call to bring healing to our planet, this meditation is for you. And I so look forward to knowing you, knowing your experience, and sharing this journey with you. Enjoy today's meditation. Let's drop into our meditation. Close your eyes and turn your outer gaze inward. Take a deep breath into your heart space. As you exhale, feel your body settle, become heavy, rooted, strong, and sturdy. Bring your awareness to your inhale. As you inhale, visualize the light of your heart space growing brighter. As you inhale, visualize the light of your heart space growing stronger, expanding, and filling all of you, shining so bright. We say thank you for this opportunity to settle in to this moment of silence, this moment of quiet, this moment of turning inward, this moment of reflection. We set the intention of beautiful alignment with our highest self in this moment. As we inhale, we feel ourselves align with earth and sky. We feel the channel to divine energy growing stronger as we inhale, aligning with sun energy, aligning with earth energy. We become the channel for divine light on earth. We become the channel for love growing on earth as we inhale. We drop into this knowing that we are meant to serve as channels of divine love on earth. Affirm to yourself, I choose to be a channel of divine love on earth. As you breathe into this affirmation, where do you notice this lands within you? I choose to be a channel of divine love on earth. As you inhale, feel this healing love energy flowing through you. Choosing to be a channel of divine love on earth requires healing, awareness, peace, contentment, knowing, clearing, releasing, receiving. We know that this choice, this acknowledgement, is for the highest good of all. I choose to be a channel of divine light on earth. We breathe into this and fill it in to the space within us, the space around us, filling with healing love energy. We allow anything in the way of us choosing to be a channel of divine love on earth. We allow anything in the way to just drop away, be released through our strong connection with earth and sky. We let go, we release, we relax, we soften and open. We receive this beautiful gift, we acknowledge, we affirm. This is a choice, this is a calling, this is going to change your life. And there may be rough patches ahead. Bring a smile to your face, just acknowledging that we know there will be rough patches because there have been rough patches. And somehow we have survived, we've made it through. Here we are, living, breathing, growing, being. Through this struggle, we have received this sense of being that so many need. So many need. And in our mind's eye, we can look out upon the horizon and see so many who need us, who need you. And as you exhale, allow some love energy to begin to flow through you, from source energy, through you, out into the world, to be received by others, to encourage their own alignment with love energy. Take several deep breaths at your own pace. Bring your awareness back to your heart. Feel the beating of you. Bring your awareness to your breath, the gift of this life. Bring your awareness to your beautiful spiritual connection. Know that you are fully supported in this moment to move forward with strength and certainty. Always remember how loved you are. When you feel ready, you can open your eyes and move toward your journal. Set your timer for at least 8 minutes to free write, to solidify your knowing, your understanding, your revelations, your inner wisdom from this experience. And feel free to share with me. And I wish you many, many blessings on your journey. We are in this together. Much love.